A microwave might be the most misunderstood machine in your entire house. Because here's the truth, a microwave doesn't really heat your food, not the way an oven does. Instead, it makes your food heat itself from the inside by reaching in and grabbing hold of the water hidden inside it and shaking it billions of times every second. And the machine that pulls this off is, believe it or not, basically a radio transmitter with a metal box around it. Let me show you how. Tucked inside every microwave is a component called a magnetron. Its only job is to produce microwaves. And microwaves are not some exotic ray, they are radio waves, the same broad family as the signal carrying your Wi-Fi, just tuned to a specific frequency, around 2.45 GHz. The magnetron floods the metal box with them. Now here is the actual trick, and it all comes down to water. A water molecule is what's called polar. One end carries a slight positive charge, the other a slight negative. And a microwave is an electromagnetic wave, which means its field flips direction back and forth about 2.5 billion times a second. Every time it flips, every water molecule in your food twists to snap back into alignment. So they flip and flip and flip, billions of times a second. That frantic, invisible twisting is friction, and friction is heat. Your food is quite literally cooking itself using its own water, which explains something you've definitely noticed. A microwave only heats where there is water. The wet food gets scorching hot, while the dry plate underneath often stays cool because there is nothing in it for the microwaves to grab. It also explains why you must never put metal inside. Microwaves bounce right off metal, they can't pass through it. And at a sharp edge, like the tines of a fork, all that bouncing energy piles up until electrons literally leap off the metal and jump across the air. That leap is a spark. Do it near something flammable and you have a fire. Then there's the great mystery of the cold middle. You felt it, lava-hot edges, a frozen center. That happens because the microwaves bounce around inside the box and overlap, creating a fixed pattern of intense hot spots and dead cold spots, standing right there in the air. If your food just sat still, it would cook in stripes. So engineers added the simplest fix imaginable, a spinning turntable to drag the food through the hot spots. And the door? Look closely and you'll see a metal screen full of little holes. Here's the beautiful part. A microwave is about 12 centimeters across. Those holes are far too small for a wave that big to squeeze through, so the microwaves stay trapped inside. But visible light waves are thousands of times smaller, so they slip through easily and you get to watch. It's a force field made of holes. One last thing, because people worry. A microwave does not make your food radioactive. These are the same gentle, low-energy waves as your Wi-Fi router, just concentrated. They are far too weak to change a single atom. They can only wiggle water. So step back. A microwave isn't an oven at all. It's a tiny radio station aimed squarely at the water in your leftovers, shaking it into heat. The most ordinary miracle in your kitchen, hiding behind a door full of holes.